My class 10 students, last day we discussed about the concept of the height and distance. Now today we solve some problems regarding this chapter. So first question number 1 is, an electric pole is 10-meter high. If its shadow is 10 root 3 meter in length, find the angle of elevation of the sun. So first, in this chapter, drawing is very important. So you read the question carefully and draw the diagram properly. So first we draw the diagram. Suppose here electric pole is 10 meter high. So 10 meter high, AB be the pole, AB is the pole which height is 10 meter and the shadow is suppose BC and length is 10 root 3 meter. Now find the angle of elevation of the sun. Suppose angle of elevation of the sun is theta. Now describe this diagram. Let AB be the pole, such that AB equals to 10 meter, BC is its shadow, BC equals to 10 root 3 meter. Let theta be the angle of elevation of the sun. Now from right angle triangle ABC, AB is the perpendicular with respect to angle theta, BC is the base and AC is the hypotenuse. So AB by BC, that is tan theta. Here AB value is 10, BC value is 10 by root 3. So value of tan theta is 1 by root 3. Now we know the tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Therefore theta equals to 30 degree. Therefore angle elevation of the sun is 30 degree. Here AB is the pole which height is 10 meter and its shadow is 10 root 3 meter in length. Now question is, find the angle of elevation of the sun. Here AB is perpendicular, BC is base. So perpendicular by base, we know tan theta. So tan theta value is 1 by root 3. We know the value of 1 by root 3 is tan 30 value. So theta is 30 degree. Therefore angle of elevation is the sun is 30 degree. Now the next problem. Question number 2. Next problem, question number 2. Okay, next question number 2. is given. An aeroplane when flying at a height of 3125 meter from the ground passes vertically below another plane at an instant when the angle of elevation of the two planes from the same point on the ground are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the distance between two planes. So from ground, distance of height of one plane is 3125 meter, and another plane, suppose it at here, this distance of two planes, suppose that is h meter, now angle of elevation of one plane is 30 degree and another plane is 60 degree. So let distance between two planes h meter given height of one plane from the ground, that is AB, that is 3125 meter, angle of elevation of one plane from with respect to point D, (30°), and angle of elevation of another plane with respect to point D, 60°. Now from in triangle ABD, AB is the perpendicular with respect to angle 30°, AD is the base, so AB by AD, that is perpendicular and this one is base, so AB by AD is tan 30. Now value of AB is, we know, 3125 meter, value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3, so value of AD is 3125 root 3. Now from triangle ADC, AC is the perpendicular with respect to angle 60°, and AD is also base, so perpendicular by base, that is tan 60. Now value of tan 60 is root 3, so AC unknown, AD we know 3125 root 3, so AC equals to 3125 root 3 into root 3, that means 3125 into 3, so now value of AC is 9375 meter and value of AB is 3125 meter. So therefore distance between two planes, that is BC, that means AC minus AB. AC is 9375, AB is 3125 meter. So result is 6250 meter. So distance between two planes is 6250 meter.